Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be sharing all softwares that we need to design our own NFTs. So make sure to hit the like button on this video and also subscribe us to win some exciting NFTs every day. Also, I have announced the winner of our previous video somewhere in this video, hence don't skip any part of it. Okay, moving forward, let me show you the two basic and commonly used designing softwares, and those are Adobe Photoshop. Here we go. And the second one with better results is Adobe Illustrator. Why I say better results? Because with Illustrator we can vectorize images and can zoom it as much as we want without pixelating anything. But in Photoshop is really easy to learn, but it's kind of pixelate your NFTs or your designs at some point. Also, you have watched many other videos on YouTube, and you may already know that people are designing NFTs with iPads. So what is the software to design NFTs on iPad? It is Procreate. How to get that? Just go to Apple Store, search for Procreate, and there you will find this software. You can download, install it. To learn about Procreate, I would suggest you to search more videos on YouTube and see how well designing skills you got. And now I'm gonna show you the software that is most underrated till now. Nobody is talking about it. The most underrated software to design paint based or sketch type NFTs is Adobe Lightroom. Yes, you heard me right. This is the software that you can use to design your NFTs based on some paintings where you don't need any layers. I'm here to announce the winner of our previous video. Before selecting the winner, I must have to see if the winner comply all these rules or not. Let me have a look. Alright, so we got 17 comments. Let me select someone randomly, and I must say this guy is really active on my channel, so I must give him a free beans sketch NFT. Let me copy his address. Yes, of course, this is the winner. So alright, let's send him a free NFT. This beans sketch NFT number 219. So let's move on and transfer this NFT to his wallet address. Let's pay some gas fee with MetaMask. Error, that transaction is failed, and this error means they need more gas fee, the one that I just paid. They need more gas fee than the one I just paid earlier, so I'm going to increase my gas fee. Let me show you how you can also do that. Click on site suggested and click on market. So here's the market gas fee that Polygon Matic required. Let's confirm. And this time, alright, so they just sent the NFT, and here we go. You can see the owner of this NFT is now our winner name, same as this, same as here. So that's it. Congrats buddy, and also keep sharing us with your all social media platforms to earn more NFTs for free in the future. And also don't forget to like, share, and also Don't forget to share this free giveaway on your social media. Thank you and have a good day. Alright guys, let's move back to the video. What would you recommend for us? I must say, if you are going to design NFTs with traits and different properties, I would suggest you to use Adobe Photoshop. Why? Because it's beginner friendly. If you have designing skills, then I would say you have to go with Illustrator because it designs more high quality images compared to Photoshop. But if your NFTs are based on some kind of paintings where you don't need layers and other stuff, then I would suggest you to use Lightroom. Why? Because easy it's easy to import, export, and Lightroom or works on presets. I will also show you how to use Lightroom and how to use Photoshop to design your NFTs in my upcoming NFT designing series, so you have to stay tuned for that. Also, I am running a new giveaway for you guys for Azuki sketch NFTs. This one I will give a free NFT to the one who would like this video, comment their ETH wallet, and also subscribe us. So what are you waiting for? Just hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe us to enter the competition. Till that, have a nice day.